Hello everyone, my name is Cynthia Hill, owner of Third Day Soaps Garden. Well, it's 4 o'clock in the morning, March 23rd, and I went to bed early, about 8:30, and I got up about maybe 1 a.m., and I will probably be up for a while. So I decided to do a insomnia facial self-care minute with me. So hold on. These are all products that I've handmade with herbs from my garden and a few that I've imported botanically. If you're not sleeping, you're awake. Hello. First of all, I'm going to make a facial using my products. I'm going to do a mask with hibiscus and orange peels. These are the hibiscus. I'm going to put in this mortar. And I'm going to put in a few orange rinds. Everyone doing well? Doing okay? I'm going to put in a few orange rinds and grind it up. I'll make a little bit of noise, but grind it up in this mortar and pestle. It's going to be a nice facial. And then I'm going to add my 100% lemon oil, which is pure lemon rind and coconut oil that I put together. And I'm going to mix with this mask. It's going to make this a mask. And I'm going to put it on my face right here before you. I didn't know if you know, but I'm returning back to the Swissville Farmers Market this year. So these products will be there and will be available for you there. It's every Saturday from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. They added an hour, which is great. Because when we were closing up at 1 o'clock, there were a lot of people coming, I guess coming from out of church and coming from meetings and things, or either just enjoying Sunday out, and they would miss us. We would be packing up at 1 o'clock and they would miss us. So it's in Swissville, Pennsylvania, and right outside of Wilkinsburg, next to Regent Square, across the bridge from Kennywood Park, but it's not far. A couple more pounds. I just dropped my orange peels here. At Third Day Soaps Garden, we make everything holistically and earthly. Over 60% of the herbs that I use in my products that I formulate are grown right here in southwestern Pennsylvania, where I live at. I'm a cosmetic scientist by degree, herbalist, gardener, crafter, mother, grandmother of 3 beautiful granddaughters who help me. You've probably seen them in my videos. I'm single. Had to throw that in there. Okay, now, you see the mixture? That is the hibiscus and the orange peel. And it turns out like this. What I'm going to do is, for those of you who just came on, my name is Cynthia Hill, Third Day Soaps Garden. I am making a hibiscus and orange peel facial. I'm going to put a couple squirts of the of the lemon oil. This is a lemon oil. Just lemons and coconut oil. I'm going to spray it on the side because I don't want to splash the powder. Then I'm going to take a makeup brush and slowly incorporate it and make a really nice paste. I need more oil. I'll do that as I talk to you. How many of you have made your own DIY skincare products at home? Many of you? It's going to be kind of a dark facial. See, it's incorporating a little bit better now. See how it turned into a paste? The reason why I use the lemon oil, because lemons are a natural exfoliant loaded with vitamin C. So it helps, vitamin C works with collagen to keep your cells close together and nice and tight. A couple more in here because I don't want it to be real. Okay, this is the paste. Okay, now what I'm going to do is take one of my towelettes and my elderflower hibiscus. It's a toner facial mist. But right now I'm going to use it as a toner. See that? It has the elderflowers, the hibiscus, and the willow bark. Willow bark is one of the main ingredients that is in aspirin. It's an anti-inflammatory extract that grows in the willow bark, and what it does is it relieves pain and gets rid of inflammation. That's what in aspirins, that's the main ingredient in it, willow bark, from the willow bark tree. I'm just going to take today's environmental stress or dirt off my face while I lay down already. So, okay, so we're going to use this as a cleanser. This is the Hibiscus willow bark, and I don't even know what I make anymore, huh? So, but it's really good. Okay, it smells so good. Now I'm going to add the hibiscus with the lemon oil together here with the orange peel, and I'm going to apply it right on my face. So I don't have my glasses on. Look how pretty that is. I think I'm going to call this mask the 4 a.m. Is it 5 a.m. or 4? The 4 a.m. insomnia mask. Isn't that pretty? Look how red. I'm a little rough-handed, but look at the rosy color. Isn't that pretty? Now the mask, of course, I don't sell. I just make the oil and the toner. And this regimen comes with a cleanser and moisturizer that I've been selling for years. And I just added the toner to it. The cleanser has seaweed in it. It's a marine-based product, like oceanic. And right now I'm also formulating a Irish moss oil. So I'll have an array of fresh oils. Now I always recommend doing your neck, but I'm not going to do that now because it's going to be one-time consuming, and 3 already did a facial 2 days ago. So now what I'm putting on is the hibiscus, orange peel, and lemon oil mask. Now this is really excellent for more mature skin that's over 35. When you're around 30, 32, your skin starts losing its elasticity from collagen, and the melanin starts fading away some. So you want to enhance that with a nice little facial. Okay, now that we have that on, and I've made a mess on this table, because you know hibiscus is red, so it's everywhere. Okay, I'm going to leave this on for a minute and talk a little bit about the toner that I'm going to be using. I call this a daily golden mist facial toner because you also use it as a moisturizer and also as a cleansing toner. The importance of toning is after you wash your face, cleanse your face, is the fact is that it gets rid of all the excess soils and environmental stressors that you had on your face, either when you were asleep or when you were out during the day. And then it prepares your skin for the moisturizer. So make sure you tone very, very well. Okay, now that I've had this facial on for a while, now it's a little bit grainy, so you can even go into some of your problem areas and just do a little bit of a circular motion. Even though it's a powder, it's still slightly grainy. Mine happen to be around the nose and the mouth area here. If you want to get rid of some of these lines up here, you can start doing a little bit of massage here, pushing up. See, I have some up here. That's why I like to wear my hair back, because to pull the wrinkles back. I'm going to tell you about a little eyeglass mark I had here and here for years. And what's going to get rid of it is my blind spot. Now let's cleanse the face. Because I'm not near a sink, and I do near a sink, I'm going to spray my face with some more toner. Okay? And I'm going to use this as a backdrop to cleanse my face with the mask. Look at that. Red, red, red. Now I'm going to tell you right now, this facial here is going to leave your face with a beautiful glow. Beautiful glow. Because it's red, so make sure you get it off if you're fair skinned. If you're fair skinned, if you're near a sink, I would rinse it off with some warm water. I'm not at the sink. I'm literally at one of my desks on my first floor in my office. And I got up at 4 o'clock in the morning and said, oh, I'm going to do an impromptu video. Now it's been 9 minutes, so you know if I upload this to YouTube, I'm going to have to get off here real soon because they only give you 15 minutes on YouTube. So I'm going to start hurrying a little bit long. Hurry, 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 Cynthia. So I'm going to use a little bit of the more the mist. Look at that. The mist. Clean it up, Cynthia. Clean it up. Hope I'm getting it all. Am I getting it all? Okay. Make sure you get it all out because it's really, 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 really red. I'm dark-skinned, so my skin can take this red. It'll blend right in for me. But if you're fair, it might make your face really red, so rinse off really good. But it's going to leave that glow. That beautiful hibiscus glow. Okay. Now afterwards, I've all cleaned up. I'm going to add my what I call blind spot. It is a discoloration, moisturizing for dark spots, any kind of discolorations. I had eyeglass problems here with a mark, and I believe you, it went away within 48 hours. I couldn't believe it. This is it. It's so lovely. That's really quite a bit, but it gets rid of dark marks. You know how you have them under your eyes, if you have any, or on your nose where you would have, like, wear your glasses, or around here or under here. Then sometimes people have dark marks on their neck too. But this just smooths it out really, 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 really nice. If you're up late nights or insomniac like I am sometimes, you know, I still feel a few grains because I didn't rinse it off, but that's okay. Very little. I wouldn't worry about it. Now this is how it looks when you're done. That's the third day glow. Now remember what I just used here. We did a hibiscus and orange peel facial, DIY, at home. And I sprayed a little bit of the lemon oil that's mixed with coconut oil in it. There's enough for later, but I won't worry about that. Then I added the mist, the hibiscus, elderflower, and willow bark facial moisturizing daily mist. Use it after your moisturizer. I mean, before your moisturizer. So you would cleanse, tone, and then moisturize with the blind spot. So you don't have any more spots on your face, any more dark marks, anything that's not wanted. What do you think? And this is at 4 a.m. Have a great day. My name is Cynthia Hill from Third Day Soaps Garden. And remember, if your skin's not beautiful, you're not wearing Third Day Soaps Garden. Bye-bye. Have a great day.